Once upon a time, there was a little girl. Her name is Goldilocks. She has a golden hair. One day, Goldilocks walking to the forest. She saw her house and knocked on the door. She went outside. Nobody was there. Goldilocks saw 3 bones. She was hungry. This part is too hot. This part is too cold. This part is just right. Goldilocks ate all the porridge. Goldilocks was tired now. This chair is too big. This chair is too big too. This chair is just right. But the chair broke. Goldilocks was tired now. She went upstairs. This bed is too hard. This bed is too soft. This bed is just right. Soon the bears came home. Someone be sitting in my porridge, said Daddy. Someone's be eating in my porridge, said Mother Bear. Someone's be eating in my porridge. It's all gone, said Baby Bear. Someone's be sitting in my chair, said Daddy Bear. Someone's be sitting in my chair, said Mommy Bear. Someone's be sitting in my chair, and it's broken, said Baby Bear. Someone's